Hello friends, welcome to Global Online UGC NET exam preparation channel. I am Vishakha and today we are going to learn Paper 2 Economics Unit 1 Macroeconomics. We are going to clear our concepts from microeconomics through MCQs. This is our part 4. We already done part 3 for MCQs. So let's start with today's session. Before starting our today's session, I have an important announcement for the students who are preparing for NTA NET 2022 Paper 2 Economics. We are offering the full syllabus course for the Economics Paper 2. In that course, we have included mock test, full syllabus notes, video lectures, practice MCQs and PYQs. As we know the importance of PYQs, we have included in that course with PDF with solution. Okay. You have to download an app with this official logo to join our course, or else you can contact on this given number on WhatsApp. Okay, fees is just 4,999, but you will get plus paper 1 all the study material in that price. Okay, so hurry up and join our course, so preparation will be start to clear upcoming exam. Okay, here is a simple app display so you can join easily. This is our first page, first display of app. Then you will get this window. You have to just search for the app with this official logo on the Play Store. You will get this window and search for the store on this window, and you will get the list of the courses we are offering. You have to just select your course. If you want to take example or test or practice, you can get in that course, particular course. Just select your category and start your preparation. Let's see first question of today's session. Perfect competition is an industry with. We all know the perfect competition's characteristics. We have learned before past lectures that what is the characteristics of perfect competition. So we have to choose the correct answer from these given options. Okay, let's see the options. First is a few firms producing identical goods. Few firms is a not characteristics of perfect competition, so this option is get cancelled. Many firms producing goods that differ somewhat. Okay, here are many firms is a characteristics of perfect competition, but what they say in next, that differ somewhat, but there is a no differ in production or goods in perfect competition, so this also get cancelled. A few firms producing goods that differ somewhat in quality. Okay, few firms, again it's not a characteristics of perfect competition and differ. Okay, this option also get cancelled, so only one option is remaining, that many firms producing identical goods. Here they have told us that identical goods are producing who? Many firms, means this is the characteristics of perfect competition, and the correct option for this question is option D. Okay, let's see the next question. Firms use marketing too. Okay, in today's marketing or today's business, marketing is so important. Okay, marketing is a must. Why firms use this marketing? Why? We have to tell that from these options. Okay, influence a customer's buying decisions. Okay, convince customers that their product is worth its price. Pursued bias that their product is superior to others. All of the above answers are correct. Okay, let's see one by one. Influence the consumer by buying decisions. Okay, marketing always influence consumers buying decision. This statement is true about the firm's marketing. Okay, convince customer that their product is worth. Okay, this is also right, because in marketing, while marketing, everyone told us or clear that their product is worth for its price. So option B is also correct. Okay, next, pursuit bias that their product is superior to others. Always every firm is going to marketing for every product. Why? To tell the customers or the consumers that their product is superior to others. Hence these statements is also correct. Means what will be our answer, or what will be our correct option? That is option D. All of the options are correct. Okay, now next question. In perfect competition, the elasticity of demand for the product of a single firm is. we have to tell that what will be the demand elasticity for the single firm. Options are infinite because many other firms produce the identical product, 0 because many other firms produce identical products, 0 because the firm produces a unique product, infinite because the firm produces a unique product. Okay, as we know, in perfect competition, every single firm, there are many what we can say that firms are working on a single product, identical product. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be option A because it will be infinite because many other firms produce identical products. Next question, price of the goods is determined at the point where. Okay, we have to tell that always remember that, as I said, draw the demand curve to answer that question. Okay, uh, here is a demand curve. What is the question? Price of the goods is determined at the point of where demand is greater than supply or demand is lesser than supply, demand is equal to supply, none of this. This is our demand curve. Okay, but what is the question? Question is about the supply and the demand, price determination of on the point. Okay, we can draw one more diagram or curve, that is, here is supply and demand. Okay, these two are the curves, supply of demand. Where will be the determined at the point price of goods? That here is a point of price of good. It means where demand and supply is equal. Okay, means demand is equal to supply. So our answer will be option 3, demand is equal to supply. Next question, total economic profit is. We have to calculate the total economic profit. And how will we calculate that? Options are total revenue minus total cost opportunity, opportunity cost, marginal revenue minus marginal cost, total revenue divided by total cost, marginal revenue divided by marginal cost. Here are some formulas to calculate profit, total economic profit, and the correct option and correct formula is option A, the total revenue minus opportunity cost. Okay, uh, this will be the formula for total economic profit. Okay, so that's why our answer is option A is correct. Next question, if you have found the percentage of the value of sales accounted for by the 4 largest firms in the industry, you have found the options of elasticity of supply value, Herfindahl-Hirschman Index, elasticity of demand value, and 4 firm concentration ratio. Here in this question there is a one concept, that is 4 firm concentration. That's why the correct answer of this question is option 4, option D, 4 firm concentration ratio. Next question, he figure about portrays a total revenue curve for a perfectly competitive firm. Curve A is straight because the firm is, option A, has the perfect information, wants to maximize its profits, is a price taker, faces constant return to the scale. The correct answer of this question is option C, is a price takers, because in perfect competition there is no price makers and it is only a price taker. That's why the option C is correct of that question. Next question, which of the following is different about the perfect competition and monopolistic competition? Here they have asked about a difference between competition and monopolistic competition. Okay, perfect competition and monopolistic competition. Options are, firms in monopolistic competition compete on the product's price as well as its quality and marketing. Okay, in monopolistic competition, entry into the industry is unblocked. We have learned about the monopolistic competition. The entry is always blocked. Okay, here they have told us about unblocked, so this option will get cancelled. Next option, perfect competition has a large number of independently acting sellers. Is there sellers working independently in perfect competition? No, so option C is also get cancelled. Only firms in monopolistic competition can earn an economic profit in a short run. Only firm, okay, only firm they have told in this option. So this option will be also get cancelled, and one option is remaining, is perfect answer of this question is that option A, firm in monopolistic competition compete on their product price, okay, as well as its quality and marketing also. So option A is correct. Next question, which statement is correct? Options: in a very short period, supply is perfectly inelastic. Price are affected by both demand and conditions. Supply curves elasticity depends on the time period. Option both A and B and none of the above. What we can say, or what will you say? This statement is also correct. Why? In the short period, okay, in short period, supply perfectly inelastic. Of course, supply will be perfectly inelastic in a short period. It will be elastic in a long term period, okay. Price affected by both demand condition, okay. That's why this statement is true. Second statement, what is the second statement? Option B, supply curve elasticity depends on the time period. Of course, here we have told that in short period supply perfectly inelastic, and other side the supply perfectly elastic in a long period, means it is also elasticity depends on the time period, okay. So option B is also correct here. So we can give the answer option C. Both A and B options are statements are correct here. So correct answer is option C. Okay, this is our last question of today's session, and I leave this question on you. Just read the question and options and give the correct answer in a comment box. Write the total correct answer, not option A, B or C, okay. And we will see the correct answer of this question in the next lecture. Just read, we have completed all the concept regarding this question, so you will be getting correct answer. So please try and give the correct answer, okay. So done for today's session. We will see more questions on the same unit in the next lecture. For today, thank you.